हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ बॉडी केयर एमटीज शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू गाइस एंड दीज आर ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई हैव completely finished and I'll be sharing my review with you whether this is worth the money or not and whether I'm interested in repurchasing these products or I will be saying bye bye to these products. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. बहुत सारे शावर जेल्स हैं मेरे पास क्योंकि बॉडी केयर में मेजरली मैं शावर जेल्स एंड लोशंस और बॉडी ऑयल्स और यही सब चीज़ें यूज़ करती हूँ। तो बहुत सारे शावर जेल्स हैं, थोड़े से हैंड वॉशेस हैं, तो मैं आपके साथ अपना रिव्यू शेयर करते जाऊँगी। दिस वन इज़ रिफ्रेशिंग शावर जेल फ्रॉम फ्रेश ब्लेंड्स निविया। दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक एंड दिस इज़ इन द वेरिएंट ऑफ एप्रिकॉट मैंगो राइस। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग combination है ये, like apricot mango and rice, and this was a very ripe mango fragrant shower gel which is perfect for summer time. ये मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सीजन अप्रोप्रिएट है। रेनी सीजन एंड समर सीजन में आप इसे एंजॉय करोगे बट विंटर्स में आप इसको एंजॉय नहीं करोगे। ये उस टाइप का शावर जेल है। ड्यूरिंग समर्स एंड रेनी सीजन्स आई थिंक आई कैन डेफिनेटली रीच आउट टू दिस वन एंड रीपर्चेस इट। ओवरऑल प्रोडक्ट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। It lathers really well, the fragrance is amazing, and at the end of the shower I don't feel that my skin is dry or damaged. So overall I found this to be a good quality product and a definite repurchase. Next, I have 3 shower gels from Plum Body Loving. These are the 3 variants that I have. The first one is Orchid You Not. This is a very nice light floral fragrance and this is something that goes well all year around. I really like this variant and I will repurchase this one. I don't like the packaging of this bottle, very difficult to use. So I prefer something which is like as simple as this bottle. So I kind of have one bottle kept in spare just to transfer this product into a simpler bottle. Just for the ease of usage I'm saying. Then we have the next variant of caramel popcorn. Not a huge fan of this one because it was just way too sweet, and when I took my bath it didn't feel very fresh and refreshing. In fact, it kind of felt like I was like a walking bakery, which I like only during night time or only during winters. But when I have to go to office, when I have to go to work, I don't usually prefer something like this. I want something which is like refreshing and something which will wake me up in the morning after bath. So I'm kind of dicey. I may not purchase this as of now. During winters, I'll see if my mind changes. Then Vanilla Vibes, one of my favorite variants from Plum Body Loving, but to be honest I'm bored of this variant. Like, I've repurchased it so many times. This is like the 5th or the 6th time that I've purchased, and all of these shower gels are beautiful. The quality is amazing, they are heavy on fragrance and they don't strip off my natural oils. So overall they perform really well, makes my body super cleanse, and they are kind of cost effective. So I like these, but only few variants I'm going to repurchase. Then the next one that I have is from Bath & Body Works, and these are their hand washes. I have them in 2 variants. The first one is Raspberry Green Tea, my personal favorite. I definitely want to repurchase this one. A very beautiful kind of like a fruity green tea, zesty tart sort of a hand wash and very refreshing. And the next one is Pineapple Prosecco. I like this one as well, but out of the 2, I think the green tea one was more natural and more refreshing. So out of these 2, I'm going to repurchase this one and not this one. I have 2 more hand soaps from Bisac, and this one is floral and aquatic. This is how it looks like, and the next variant is Sizzle Drizzle, which is cucumber and green apple. Out of the 2, I really enjoyed this one, which is like Seize the Day. This one is called as Seize the Day. The variant itself is called Seize the Day, and this is such a gorgeous one. This is for 400 rupees and you get 250 ml of product. Bisac has been doing amazing in terms of body care. I love their lotions, I love their perfumes. I definitely love their hand soaps. This was a foaming hand wash and very, very, very effective and similar to Bath and Body Works. In fact, for the price, this is a better deal than getting the Bath and Body Works. Works really well, cleanses the hands really well, doesn't dry out the hands, and overall good quality. One hand wash easily goes for around 1 month when 2 to 3 people in your family are using it. So it is cost effective, and overall the variants are just gorgeous. Then one more body wash, and this one is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is in the variant Coffee and Warm Vanilla. I have to be in a certain mood to use this body wash because this is very heavy on coffee. So definitely I was enjoying these more during my night time bath routine or shower routine, because that was the time when I was okay wearing something vanillic and sweet on myself because I wanted to have a cozy sleep and a cozy night. So this I was using only during night time. During daytime I was not feeling it to use this one. It was too sweet for me, and something like the start of the day I want something refreshing on myself. So this one was good during winters, and this was good during a night shower time routine. Overall good quality stuff, but I'm not very sure if I really want to repurchase it. Then the next product is a Love Struck Talk All Night body lotion by Nykaa. This is such a beautiful variant. Like, I finished this in half a month. I really like this moisturizer so much. It was good in hydration, not overpowering. The fragrance was very soothing. It was a floral fresh fragrance, something that I really enjoyed during the daytime. It's not too sticky formula, and overall very hydrating. And the size was very nice for me to carry it in my purse. So I was keeping it in my office purse, and I was like using all the time. So this I finished in half a month, and I absolutely enjoyed this one. And I definitely want to repurchase this variant, this same variant actually. Next one is Nivea Nourishing Lotion. This one is Body Milk. This claims to give 48 hours of intense moisture. Don't really trust that, because I think it is good for around 8 to 9 hours. After that, you really have to reapply it, especially if you have like normal to dry skin. You definitely need more of this. Very soothing, very nice, very milky kind of consistency, and the fragrance is very light and airy and breezy and refreshing. Nivea is one of my cult favorites, and I don't know how many times I have repurchased this one, so it's not something that I'm talking about it for the first time. It's a definite repurchase for me. Then the next body lotion is from Bath and Body Works, and this one is In the Stars. This is a very beautiful, very mature scent, and you know, this is something that I really enjoyed. I loved using this one. In fact, when I was like about to finish this, I was really feeling sad that I finished it, and I was thinking that, you know, I need to go to Bath and Body Works and I need to get an repurchase this one, plus need to get some more variants. But I do have a lot of body lotions in my collection currently that I want to go through. That's the only reason that I'm stopping myself from not repurchasing this one, but it's a definite yes that I will be going and repurchasing this one for sure. The last product is from Oriflame, and this one is a talcum powder. This is a Love Nature fragrance, a talcum powder, and this is called as Floral Bloom. Now, according to me, this was a through and through powdery rosy fragrance that I absolutely enjoyed. This is kind of like a dated fragrance, because this kind of reminded me of 80s and 90s ka makeup, like that strong rosy synthetic cosmetic fragrance that you get from the older makeup products. It had that vibe, but somehow it was nostalgic and kind of reminded me of like my nani and my dadi. So that Aji era was kind of calling with this one. So I sort of enjoyed it for some reason. I was like, yeah, this is nice. It reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of the cozy hugs that I had with my nani and dadi. So I kind of liked it, and I already have like a bigger tub of this as well, which I am going through currently. So it was already a repurchase. After the bigger tub is over, I may not repurchase this one, but through and through, I loved it. So that completes my body care empties. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and the mini reviews helped you whether to decide whether the product is worth the money or not, and you got a hint of what I like wearing and what I dislike. So that's about it in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.